See this guys, people all over the world, how they are earning this much amount of money by just doing the typing job. Okay, if you want to know how people all around the world, you can see that whatever country you are belonging to, you can apply here and can earn good amount of money from this website. Just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money. Okay, and you can just do guys typing job and you are getting paid for that. Just follow along this video. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just getting freelancing job from this reputed website. Guys, you can make money online by just sitting at home and just doing some typing job. Okay, so what this website will offer you, you can see this guys. Okay, you just need to do blogging. Okay, you just need to write content and you are getting paid for that. Okay guys, so how we can do it, just follow along this video. Okay, you just come up here in this first job section. Okay, just come up here in this job section and you can see this guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of jobs that are available for you to do. Okay, you just need to do what, you just need to find these clients, and these are the clients which are highly potential clients. You can see this, United States, someone living in United States. Okay, someone living in Ireland and anywhere in this world. Okay, so you can, there is no country bar that I cannot contribute to this website. Anyone can contribute. Whatever country you are living in, you can earn money online on this website. Okay, so what you can do guys, first just come up here, okay, in this job part, and you can see whatever job you can select. You can see this, there are lots and lots of jobs, you can see. So let me just give this job. Okay, so you just come up here guys. Okay, you just need to come up here and just apply whatever website. Okay, so let me just first apply for this website. Okay, this is located in New York and it is recently posted. So I just need to click on this website. You can see this guys, what I need to do, it is located in somewhere in New York, and what I need to do here, I can do the content marketing, SEO and whatever, lots and lots of things. And you can see this guys here, how to apply. You can please apply via mail. You can see this, you can apply via mail with the information given subject line. Okay, so I just need to post a mail to them. Okay, so what I need to do guys, you just come up here. Okay, you just need to come up on your Gmail ID. Okay, just click on this compose button, and what you need to do is to give, okay, you just need to copy this. Okay, you just need to copy this mail. Okay, just need to copy this mail, and what you need to do, just paste it. Okay, just paste it here. Okay guys, now what is the subject line guys? You can see this, what is the subject? You can see subject line is blog marketing freelancer. Okay, so just copy this. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, just copy paste thing guys. Okay, and you just need to type your name here guys. Okay, don't forget to okay, I just need to write my name. Okay, and what I need to do here, you just need to give whatever things you can give, links to at least 3 marketing blog posts that you have written. Okay, so what I can do guys, you might ask me a question that, sir, we don't have blogs, we don't know about any blogs. So don't worry guys, I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, so what you need to do, just click on this, just copy this. Okay, and just paste it. Okay, so you just need to give 3 links. Okay, so just come up here. So guys, what you can do right now is to just come up here in this blogspot.com. Okay, if you have not watched my video of blogspot guys, I just do recommend you to go and watch it. Okay, I just highly recommend you. Okay, so you just need to give 2 blogs guys in blogger.com. Okay, you just come up here and you can write your own free blogs. Okay, so this website will provide you free hosting. Okay, so you just need to give 3 URLs to them. Okay, you just need to give 3 URLs to them and you are good to go. You can see this guys, I just need to give 3 URLs to them, and if you don't know how to create it guys, I have created a dedicated video for the same. So you can, what you can do guys, okay, what you can do is to go up here and you can apply this. apply here. Okay, you can see this. I have quickly gave the 3 links, guys. Okay, and another thing I just need to give here is what is your rate, and what you can do, guys, just need to copy this. Okay, and you just need to give your rates. Okay, your rates, what you can give rates, you just need to give rates. So guys, what type of rates you can give, that for 200 words, I can charge, okay, $50. Okay, for 200 words I can charge $50, because guys, New York people are having cannot think about that they are getting paid, and you are getting paid for 200 words. Okay, so you can set up as per your niche. Okay, you can give the proof that I have written this much amount of blogs. Okay, and if you don't know how to write the blogs, just come up here in this article factory. Okay, and you can set up whatever niche you are having. Okay guys, whatever niche you are having, you can just give your particular niche. Okay, you can see this, guys, this is a marketing niche. Okay, so what you can do is to write an article. I have already told you how to write an article. Just click on this new post, and you just need to first spin bot this article. Okay, what you can do is to spin your articles a bit, because guys, these are so that there is no plagiarism that happen. So you just need to click on this copy. Okay, so you just need to click on this copy button, and you can see this, you just need to paste it here. Yeah, okay, and just click on this, I'm not a robot, and you can see this, guys, it's absolutely free, of course. Just click on this go, and you can see this, guys, I got a text which is plagiarism free. Okay, plagiarism free. So you can just click on this copy, and you just give just copy paste it, and you can give the heading of this article, and you're good to go. Okay, so you can get quickly a job quickly. You just need to publish it. Okay, so this is my article link. You can see this, guys, you can even view it. Okay, and just give it to them. Okay, so you can set up this type of rate, and just click on this send button, and guys, your proposal is sent to them. Okay, so now you can able to understand that, guys, what type of services you can offer. Even, guys, you can offer the services of SEO as well. Okay, you can offer the services of SEO as well. So for that, what you can do, guys, is to come up here in this new tab, and what you need to type is word tracker. Okay, word tracker. Okay, word tracker you need to type. Okay, so this is one of the renowned SEO tool that will help you to do the search engine optimization to the top. Okay, so what you can type is to, let me just give a particular word like technology. So based upon the technology keyword, okay, based upon the technology keyword, it will give me ample of keywords that can help me to rank my article. You can see this, guys. Okay, it will give you the description about the search volume as well. And guys, what is the most important thing is just come up here in this territory. So based upon whatever particular country, okay, it will give you content. Like if you want to rank your article in Mexico, in South Africa, okay, so the client requirement is New York, so you just need to select United States for that. Okay, so you can even rank your articles based upon the keywords which are located for a particular dedicated country. Okay, so this is one way how you can do it, and what type of things you can implement to do right things in a right way. Okay guys, so this is one way that you can do and earn money online. I hope you like this video, guys. If you are having any doubts, guys, you just need to post it on the comment section. Okay, and whatever problems you are facing, you just need to type in here. And I just want to recommend you guys, please like and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, so that, guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content. Okay, till then, happy earning.